Hi, this is Terry Peterson with CHSagent.com. We are a team of Realty One Group Coastal. We have an investment property coming on the market soon in Goose Creek that we are aware of. Now, you may notice some redacted information on the spreadsheet, such as the address of the property itself, as well as the address and MLS numbers of the comparables. That type of information we'll provide to our clients that we have a signed buyer's agreement with. So, given the property analysis looking at active listings and closed listings, the subject property could have a market value between $160,000 to $180,000 that would be in an as repaired state, and we'll touch more on as repaired at the end of this video. Another analysis we do is we look at the price velocity of the neighborhood. Is the neighborhood as a whole trending upwards, staying level, or trending downwards? This neighborhood over the past 10 years has had a positive 5.1%, and that is per year appreciation rate, meaning that in about 3 years time frame, you could expect this property to achieve at or near a $200,000 price point. Now on to the cash flow and net sheet for this property. So the listing agent told us that they will be listing at $75,000. Given a conventional mortgage, 20% down payment, 30-year mortgage at a 5.25% interest rate, your monthly debt service would be about $350. Then we have to factor in property taxes and insurance. We did not factor in flood insurance. There is a portion of the land at the back of the property that is an A flood zone. There are some companies that would require flood insurance on that. There are some companies that would not require flood insurance on that. That would be up to you to find a property or find a lender, mortgage company, and insurance company that will loan without requiring flood insurance, given an adequate elevation certificate where the home itself is not in the flood zone. That gives you a total monthly holding cost of $626 per month. Now on to the as repaired portion we spoke about earlier. According to the listing agent, the owner has a verbal estimate from Ramjack or $35,000 in repairs for the foundation. Now, I did enter this property today. This property is currently rented, and that renter will be moved out by the time this property is sold. But my opinion that this house is perfectly livable in an as-is condition. There is significant bowing in the floor. However, I did not see any form of substantial cracks in the sheetrock, ceiling, tile work in the bathroom. All looks pretty solid based on a brief walkthrough of the property. However, again, there is bowing in the floor. Therefore, the owner did get estimates from Ramjack as well as at least one other company for foundation work. As well as the current tenant removed the carpet and has not refinished the wood floors. So I did put a budget in here of $275 per square foot for putting carpet back into the property, or the hardwoods could be sanded and refinished. They are true hardwoods. In addition to that, I also added a buffer just for any other ancillary things that would need to be done. I did not see myself many major issues with this house whatsoever, but nonetheless, I've added buffer here, paint, sheetrock repairs, if any other patches need to be done, given a total estimated budget of repairs of $43,000. Now onto the cash flow. The property in its as-is state is currently rented for just over $900 a month. There are other properties in the same area renting for over $1,000 a month. And so I do estimate that this property repaired could receive between $1,100 and $1,200 per month in revenue. That would give you a positive cash flow of just over $500 per month. Now that does not factor in management expenses and replacement reserves. That is up to your personal preference of how to budget for those. So given an annual operating income of just about $13,000, that gives an assumed 6% vacancy rate, which provides you 2 to 4 weeks each year to clean up and clean out the property between tenants. Annual operating expense of $3,300. That is based on expenses, not on your debt service. You have a net operating income of $9,600 with this property potentially. If you are interested, please contact me via our website, chsagent.com. You can email me at Peterson, Peterson, @chsagent.com. I look forward to hearing from you.